The Infinix GT30 Pro, launched in India on June 3, 2025, positions itself as a gaming-centric smartphone with a focus on delivering a high-performance experience at a competitive price point. Here is a comprehensive review based on available information. Key specifications at a glance. Display 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED with 144Hz refresh rate, 2160Hz instant touch sampling rate, 2304 Hz PWM dimming up to 4500 nits peak brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate 5G 4nm. RAM or storage 8GB or 12GB LPDDR5X RAM with 256GB or 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, no card slot. Software Android 15 with XOS 15, promise 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches. Rear camera 108 megapixel, main camera f by 1.89, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens f by 2.2, front camera 13 megapixel f by 2.2, battery 5500 MHz with 45 watt fast charging and 30 watt wireless charging, also 10 watt reverse wired and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. Design CyberMecha 2.0 design with customizable RGB LEDs on the back, available in dark flare, blade white and shadowwash. Gaming features: customizable shoulder triggers, egg boost gaming engine, 6 layers 3D vapor chamber cooling system, 120 fps BGMI gaming certified by Krafton, bypass charging. Other features: IP64 dust and splash resistance, in-display fingerprint scanner, IR blaster, stereo speakers tuned by JBL, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4. Price: India starts at Rs 24,999 for 8GB plus 256GB. Rs 26,999 for 12GB plus 256GB. With launch offers, prices could be lower. Design and display: the Infinix GT30 Pro boasts a striking CyberMecha 2.0 design with customizable RGB LEDs on the back, appealing to the gaming aesthetic. It feels solid and well built. The 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display is a major highlight, offering a battery smooth 144Hz refresh rate and excellent brightness levels up to 4500 nits peak brightness, though typically 700 nits. The 2160Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate ensures highly responsive interactions, crucial for gaming. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i provide decent protection and the IP64 rating adds dust and splash resistance. Performance and gaming: powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate 5G processor, the GT30 Pro delivers strong performance for its price segment. It handles most modern games and multitasking with ease. The inclusion of up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage further enhances speed and responsiveness. The phone is specifically designed for gaming, featuring GT shoulder triggers. This pressure-sensitive capacitive button provides a console-like gaming experience, offering tactile input and customizable functions. X-Boost gaming engine and e-sports mode. These software optimizations help maximize gaming performance, reduce distractions, and ensure stable network connectivity. Advanced cooling: the 6-layer 3D vapor chamber cooling system aims to maintain sustained performance during extended gaming sessions. Though some reviews note that the GPU can still throttle under prolonged heavy loads. 120 fps BGMI support: this is a significant selling point for mobile gamers, though some reviews suggest 90 fps is more consistently achievable in demanding titles. While the Dimensity 8350 Ultimate is a powerful chip, it might not be the absolute strongest in its price bracket compared to some flagships, but it generally holds up well. Camera: the camera setup on the Infinix GT30 Pro is a decent for its price. The 108 megapixel main camera captures good quality photos with acceptable detail and natural colors in good lighting. However, shot-to-shot consistency with dynamic range can be inconsistent, with shadows sometimes appearing crushed. The 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens is usable in good lighting but not particularly impressive. Low light performance is on par with other mid-range smartphones relying heavily on post-processing. The 13 megapixel front camera delivers clear and decent selfies with good details and natural skin tones in low light. Video recording supports 4K at 30 or 60 fps with the main camera and 1440 pixels with the ultra wide, and EIS is present across resolutions. Battery life and charging: the 5500 MHz battery provides dependable all-day power. It supports 45 watt wired fast charging, allowing for quick top-ups. A notable feature is the 30 watt wireless charging support, which is a rare and welcome addition at this price point. Bypass charging 2.0 helps reduce heat build-up during gaming while charging, protecting the battery. Software and user experience: The GT30 Pro runs on Android 15 with Infinix XOS 15 on top. Infinix promises 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security patches, which is a reasonable commitment. XOS 15 offers a clean and fluid experience with various customization options and AI powered features like Flagship voice assistant and AI note. Pros: vibrant 1.5K 144Hz AMOLED display with high brightness, effective and customizable GT soldered triggers for enhanced gaming, strong gaming performance for its segment with the Dimensity 8350 Ultimate, generous RAM and fast UFS 4.0 storage, good battery life with fast wired and wireless charging, IP64 dust and splash resistance, stereo speakers tuned by JBL, competitive pricing, unique and attractive Cyber Maker 2.0 design with RGB lighting, includes IR blaster and FM radio. Cons: GPU may experience thermal throttling under prolonged heavy loads. 120 FPS gaming might not be consistently achieved in all demanding titles. Camera performance, while decent, can be inconsistent in terms of dynamic range and shot-to-shot consistency. No expandable storage via microSD card. Only 2 major OS updates promised. Conclusion: the Infinix GT30 Pro is a compelling option for mobile gamers looking for a feature-packed device without breaking the bank. It excels in delivering an immersive gaming experience with its high refresh rate, AMOLED display, dedicated soldered triggers and capable processor. The inclusion of wireless charging at this price point is significant advantage. While its camera performance might not be its strongest suit and thermal throttling can occur during intense gaming, the overall package offers excellent value for its price, making it a strong contender in the affordable gaming smartphone segment.